Hello and welcome. This video is about the instrumental case. First, I will tell you when we use it. One of the most common uses is presenting one's identity when we say what is one's profession or function. For this function, we use the verb to be. Another use is expressing an instrument with which we perform an action. It's the same function as the one of the prepositions by or with. The difference is that in Polish we don't use any preposition for this function. Furthermore, in Polish there is a group of prepositions that require the instrumental case. These are z, pod, nad, za, przed, and między or pomiędzy. And finally, certain verbs also apply this case for their objects. Now let's see how we form words in this grammatical case. The table shows the endings that are applied for the Polish nouns, and there are several ways in which we add them. The first is simply adding the ending. We see it with the short masculine nouns and men's profession like house, dom, domy, domem, domami, or a doctor, lekarz, lekarze, lekarzem, lekarzami. The next is replacing the last letter with the proper ending. We use it mainly in neuter nouns ended with O, and all feminine nouns which, if we don't include some exceptions, end with the letter A. For example, a woman, kobieta, kobiety, kobietą, kobietami. A mirror, lustro, lustra, lustrem, lustrami. Also, some of masculine nouns which end with the letter A undergo this pattern, like mężczyzna, mężczyźni, mężczyzną, mężczyznami. The third is dropping the letter E in the stem and then adding the proper ending. We can see it on nouns that end with the letters ek, such as worek, workiem, worki, workami. There is also a group of nouns which have the stem much shorter than the whole word, and we have to drop a couple of letters at the end to replace with the proper ending, such as the word ojciec, ojcem, ojcowie, ojcami. Luckily, it gets a lot easier when it comes to the adjectives. Let's see these two as the example. Good and fast. Their instrumental forms are going to be dobrym, dobrą, dobrym, dobrymi, and szybkim, szybką, szybkim, szybkimi. Now let's see a couple of examples. And pay attention to the functions that are highlighted on the left side of the screen. Tomek jest dobrym nauczycielem. Nie możesz jeść rękami. Now let's see this little dialogue. Dzień dobry, jestem nowym pracownikiem. Zajmuję się obsługą klienta. Dzień dobry, będziesz pracować z nami. Czy potrafisz posługiwać się Excelem? Nie, nigdy nie pracowałem tym programem. That's all for this video. I hope you find it useful. You can also find me on Facebook and subscribe to my channel if you like that kind of content. Thank you and see you soon.